bikini heads turning when they see me, keeping it ocean breezy. Might wanna be me, come over here and see me strut in my new bikini. Yeah, 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 yeah.
So hey guys, welcome back again to this channel, and for today's reaction video, we are going to watch their performance of Blush and Cherry on Top live at Grammy Museum. So thank you rin po sa fancam na to. At may nahanap ako kahit papano ay mapapanood natin. So simulan na natin to. Let's go! Their full live performance at Grammy Museum. Grabe naman. First ever P-pop girl group ang nakapag-perform sa Grammy Museum. Siyempre, Bini yan eh. Let's do this. Hey! Cherry on Top.
My presence is a present. Talking French, I keep you guessing.
Mm-hmm.
Know you got a little give me cry.
Their vocals.
Cause you never giving up.
Hey! Let's go, Aya.
Celebrate you and me.
Ah, let's go, Mikalim.
It's your birthday on repeat, birthday on repeat, yeah. If you want sweet sugar on top, if you want spice, I can turn the heat up.
Hey!
Baby, in the cake, better know what you got. A cherry on top, cherry
Woo! Can you hear that?
on repeat, got you buzzing around me. Sticky, sticky, sweet, nasty as it can be. Baby, in the cake, better know what you got. A cherry on top, cherry on top. Cherry, cherry, just a berry, but cotton candy.
It's fancy.
You can deny, I know you can deny. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top.
I was up for sorry eyes, one again, you paralyzed, dancing in the disco lights. I can do this all my life, same as where I grow. Not your average girl, got you touching the pearls. It's gonna know who run the world.
Every day, celebrate you and me. Yo, yeah.
Hey, yo with me, yeah.
It's your birthday on repeat, birthday on repeat, yeah.
The sweet got sugar. Hey, nauna ako dun.
Better know what you got. The cherry on top, cherry on top.
Honey, nothing.
Got you buzzing around me. Sticky, sticky, sweet, nasty as it can be. Baby, in the cake, better know what you got. The cherry on top, cherry on top. C-H-E-R-R-Y.
Just hard to find. Ganda nila. Hey, let's go, Maloy. Ooh. Goosebumps. Ay, agad-agad pala yung blush. Wala man ng hinga-hinga. Pero, mas maririnig ko talaga yung vocals nila kapag fan comes eh. Pagkuha talaga ng fan, yung pinanood natin, maririnig nyo talaga. Live na live ang kanilang mga bosses. Hey, let's go, Blush.
Are you ready to blush?
May ganon. May ganon, Jo. Favorite part 10, Stacy? Grabe naman. Like summer. Did you see the smile of Aya when she heard those "Oh kalame kalame"? Grabe naman yung crowd. Ganun talaga hawak ni Gwenny sa mic. Grabe naman. Ang angas. Favorite part also, may kalayong. The deep voice. Oh kalame, when you're talking to me. Excited na ako mapanood yan ng live, yung Blush. You and I. Yung ayasin nyo dun. Sino may kuhang ganon, ilabas nyo na. You make me Grabe si Stapo. Ay, that's so nice. Thank you po. Kanino yung fan cam to? Shout out natin. Thank you po, Sir Ray and Sir Rob, for this fan cam. So, yun lang. I hope you enjoy this, guys. And see you on my next reaction video. Bye.
I ain't skipping meals, yeah.